This handsome boy is Brando. As you can see, he sits very nicely for treats and he takes them gently. He is very food motivated. Brando loves treats. So if you wanted to teach him something in his new home, he'd be very trainable. He's already a very well-behaved boy though. While he's been here at the Humane Society, Brando does prefer to go to the bathroom outside. He also walks extremely nicely on a leash, especially for a dog his size. He listens to what you say, so whenever you correct him or pull on the leash, he just kind of stops to see what you want. He's also very friendly. Brando likes being petted and scratched. He's got that big head and a big body, but he really is a gentle soul. He likes being out here. He's in our training room off leash right now, and he's been playing with some of the toys. He'd be great in a home that could play with him as well as snuggle with him. He's just such a good, well-trained boy. Brando will make someone a wonderful new pet.